Would you guys like to change a light bulb in your tail light, but it seems too difficult? That's because it is. Joking, it's easy. First step is to locate this screw over here. We're going to unscrew it. Like so, it's got a little string on it. Then you're going to see a little wiring loom over here. It's a little pinch and wiggle out. Sorry, it's difficult to show you what I'm doing, but pinch and wiggle. And then wiggle it out. Like so. These two little pins that you just pinch them together and give it a wiggle. We're then going to do a bit of a upward push like that, and voila. Oh my god, it's a mess. Alright, you see, it needs cleaning. This is why it's important to do maintenance on your car, and that's why I am doing this on my Polo Vivo for the next couple of months. I'm going to try to get this guy back into tip-top shape. So that's the inside of the enclosure, and this is the thing that holds the bulbs. Look at all this dirt. So we're going to give it a clean. You will notice the problem bulb, one side is fused. You can see there's two fuses in here, two filaments. So it's just a twist and remove. You see one pin is higher than the other pin. Put the higher pin in the same orientation as you did the lower pin and twist in, and you're good to go. Back on the enclosure with a nice and clean. Except this top piece here. Easy peasy.